Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for us to check out the markets and see how we can make up to $200 trading boom and crash. Okay, we will be analyzing the markets one after the other, and of course going to see the way I do the analysis, pick up my trade, and of course set up my trading activity so that you guys can also learn from it. So many people have been learning from this and they have been able to generate their trading signal on their own, okay, using this strategy, the same strategy which I am using to make lots of money for myself right here on this platform. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will understand every bit of it. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we do that, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice. You need to practice very well before you can say you are good enough to go into your real account. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, because that is the only way you can be notified whenever I have a training video like this. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said, we will be checking out the assets one after the other and doing the analysis, and of course you're going to see how I pick up my trades, you're going to see how I set up my TPs and everything. Okay, so right here, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. For those of you that are having it, I must say big congratulations to you guys, and of course I know that it will be very easy to do the analysis. Okay, here is the resistance zone, and of course the market got there and was unable to break out above it, so it went back on downtrend. It has gotten to this region, it was unable to go beyond the support zone, so it started spiking up. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a spiky opportunity because it's going back on uptrend. Okay, so we should be experiencing the first TP at this, then second one around here. Okay, then let's see this. Okay, so this is going to be a major one. Okay, this is going to be a major one. Once it gets to this region, okay, it might find it difficult to move. It might want to pull back at this particular point, but once it breaks out above here, then definitely this is what we should be looking out for. You can see that it just spiked up. I told you that it is going to be on uptrend. Okay, so this is what we should be looking out for, but if it breaks out above this, then we should be seeing it heading towards this particular direction. Okay, so this is almost getting to this TP. Okay, so you should be smart about that. Okay, so if you are trading using this strategy alone, it will be very easy for you to make more than $200. Okay, in the past weeks I've seen people making over $200 using this opportunity. Okay, so I'm really happy that this is really doing very well. Okay, this is boom 500. It had been on downtrend for a very long time. I started trailing this. I set out all these before at the early part of today, and it has gotten to TP 1 2 3 4. Okay, and it has even gone beyond that. Okay, so and this is still going to be going on more bullish trend. Okay, so we should be checking out our next tip here around here. Then of course if it breaks out above that, we should be looking at somewhere here as our next TP. Okay, and if it breaks out above this, of course it might want to pull back around here. Okay, but if it breaks out above that, then definitely we should be looking at somewhere here as our next TP. Okay, so we should take note of all these. Okay, let's see more. Okay, so this is crash 500. crash 1000. This had been on a very strong uptrend, got to this resistance zone, it pulled back but broke out above there around here, and it's got to this resistance zone, and it has gotten down again. If it's unable to go beyond this region on buy trend, then definitely it will be selling more. Okay, so we expect it to crash more, okay, at that particular point. And of course, if it keeps on crashing, okay, these are the TPs that you should take note of. Okay, at this point, here is a major support zone. At this point, it might want to pull back, but if it does not, if it breaks out below this, then definitely it will be getting to this region. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, but make sure you trade carefully. Okay, let's check out the last one, guys. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this support zone, was unable to go beyond this, so it went back on buy trend. But it got to this resistance zone. Okay, it's got to this resistance zone, so it has gotten to the TPI highlighted here, but it didn't get to this. Okay, so it pulled back around here, and of course it has gotten to this, it pulled back till it got to this support zone. So if it's unable to break out beyond this support zone, then definitely it will go back up and try out this TP. If it breaks out above this, then definitely it will definitely also get to this region. But if it does not, okay, if it does not, if it's able to break out below this, then definitely it will want to get to the last part of the support zone. And if it breaks out below this, then you will have to check higher time frame for the next support zone. Okay, so, but if it's unable to break out below this, then definitely it will keep on going up and may likely get to this TP. And if it breaks out above this, it may likely get to this. If it breaks out above that, then it will get to this. Okay, so we should take note of that and use it to guide ourselves whenever we are trading. Okay, so I'll try as much as possible to post this particular video as soon as possible. Okay, so that if you are not joining me live and direct, then you can still benefit from it. Okay, so that you will know how it works. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions within the comment section, and you can also ask me personal questions on my WhatsApp. My contact details are in the description box below this video. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.